So I have this really big white wall in my home, and since this is the living room that is typically more for show, not really to sit in, I did not want a TV in here, so I had to figure out what I could put on this wall to make it look pretty or whatever. So I decided to get artwork, and I did not want to spend a lot of money on artwork, so I decided to go ahead and just do it myself. So this is the wall in the living room, and this is the artwork my family and I did ourselves. Now, to see how we did this artwork, keep watching the video and you will see. Enjoy. Okay guys, here are the materials you'll need. I have a little bit of glitter, and I have a bunch of grays, black and white paints. I got all these from Michael. I got some silver, some metallic silvers, grays, dark grays, light grays, white, different blacks. And I also got something to stretch and spread the colors out with. I just found this laying around somewhere in my house or garage. And you'll also need a canvas board. I got this from Michael's also. It's a 30-inch by 40-inch, so it is one of the biggest ones that they have. And you'll also need a paintbrush. Now here I am just dropping random colors onto the board, no particular order. I just knew that I wanted a lot of grays and a lot of silvers, so no particular order, just dropping colors in. Now I'm going in between each color with black, and then I'm going in between each color with white, and then I'm just going to spread all of those colors out, and I'm going to do that throughout the whole video, so you'll just see me dropping random colors of silvers, black, whites, metallics. They're all in that family, so you'll just see me dropping random colors throughout and just spreading it throughout. Okay, and here you see me just mixing the colors together, just trying to get that abstract feeling. So I'm taking the tip of my paintbrush, dropping a few little colors here and there, and just kind of lightly stroking them into the paintings wherever I want a different color. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, and now you see me just taking the paint and just randomly putting lines on here, different silvers, different whites, blacks. I really feel like this gave it more of an abstract feel. Now this one is one I did with my daughter and my husband. We did the same thing, just drop random colors of silvers and blacks and metallics and spreading them out. So this is more of a family one. So this one we all put our personal touches on. Okay, and here, after I finished the one I did by myself, I felt like something was missing. So I went through with little pieces of foil and added it to the wet parts of the painting. So that's what I'm doing here. And this is